In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete table content in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, as you can see, I have here a table in my Word document, and I'd like to go ahead and delete some items. For instance, if I want to delete maybe an item here, for instance, I want to remove sugar, just go ahead and click on the cell, and you can see the cursor is blinking. Using backspace on your keyboard, by just clicking on backspace, now the item or the content in that cell has been cleared or deleted. However, if you want to just empty the content of all the tables such that I want to delete everything here, just hover over to the margin here, and when you see that icon of an dark arrow, go ahead and click on it, and this will help you highlight all the cells with text or with content. If the whole table contains content or contains some wordings, you can go ahead and just highlight the whole of it. And once you are done, now you should see we have an option here to delete. You can also just go ahead and press the delete key on your keyboard, and this will go ahead and delete all the items or the contents in your cells on your table. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to delete table content in Microsoft Word document, while at the same time maintaining the structure of your table. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.